Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your network adapters on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, go to search bar and type device manager. Open device manager. Now in the left side you can see all the drivers list, so you have to go to search for network adapters. Click on here. Now you can see this option Intel wireless AC 950 60 mHz. You can search in your PC or as well as laptop. Just right click on it and go to update option. Now here you will see two options here: browse my computer for drivers. This one is no need. You have to click on this one, search automatically for drivers. Click on it. Now in my case I have already updated my network adapters. You can search in your PC or as well as your laptop. And after closing this, close this window. I will show you another method. Go to search bar and type settings. Open the settings. This time you have to go to the last one, which is Windows Update Settings. Click on here. Now go to check for updates. Now it will take hardly 20 to 25 seconds. Till then you can like my channel and subscribe to my channel. I upload the best videos on Windows 11 settings and tricks and Canva videos. I hope you like all of them. Just subscribe to my channel. So it will also tell you the other drivers list, whether you got an update or not. It will show you up. So in my case I got an update on my Windows Security Intelligence update for my Macro Defender antivirus. You can check in your PC whether you got update or not. If you got an update for network adapters, you can just directly download it and install in your Windows 11. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Take care.